Hello, lovelies. How's everyone doing today? I can't even say good morning because it's not morning when I'm filming this. Have you all had those days where if something could go wrong, it will go wrong and everything will go wrong? That's how my day started. So I woke up to my alarm, shut it off, and then fell back asleep. Woke up an hour later than I normally do. So I was just frantically like trying to get ready and get to work on time. So I did not do my makeup this morning. I did do it. Oscar de la Renta, honey. I know you're having a rough day too, but no screaming during Mama's videos. It's very disruptive. I don't know what I was saying. Thanks, bub. So I did my makeup over my lunch break. Didn't even really take one, just threw some makeup on. I'm trying to make this video really quick so I can post it later. But the point is, not everyone's perfect. None of us are perfect. We're human. It's okay if you're having a bad day. Try your darndest to reset it. You know, reach out to that person that you can call and say, I'm having a bad day. Give me a pep talk. Give yourself a pep talk. You know, say your words of affirmation. You are amazing, even though it might not feel like it and everything seems to be crashing down around you. Just take time to reset, because I promise it's okay and you're going to get through it. I'm in a much better mood now than I was this morning. And yeah, so I just wanted to share that with you. Like, we can go through life seeing these picture perfect, you know, pictures and videos on Instagram and Facebook of, you know, these perfect lives people have, and that's not reality, you know? So just remember that. Like, don't beat yourself up because, you know, so-and-so's kids are perfect and always well behaved, and, you know, yours are running around slinging mud at each other. I guarantee theirs are as well. So you're doing great. Don't beat yourself up, okay? So for today's look, we're gonna just transition, all right? You're amazing. Keep doing what you're doing. For today's look, I used the CC cream. I'm light to medium. I'm loving this. I'm also loving putting a couple drops of the tea tree serum in it. This has done wonders to help control my excess oil and sebum throughout the day. Like, I use it as a toner always, but I have noticed a huge difference in the wear in my makeup throughout the day when I add just a couple drops of this into it. I don't get as oily and I don't get that cakey buildup because my oils have been breaking the foundation down like I used to without it. So I highly, highly recommend this product. I believe it's only $10.90. It'll change your life. I did my normal contouring and brightening with my blush. That went a little wonky. I thought I needed more, so I tried something a little different and added some more in, and I feel like I look kind of like a clown, but that's okay. For my eyes, I tried a new mono shadow that I had gotten, but I hadn't tried yet. So first I put on this one. This is number 13 and it's called Satin Ribbon. So I used that up under my eyebrow and down to my waterline, right, to just brighten up that area. Then I went in with the new one that I hadn't used. This is number 04 and it's called Coffee Brown. And it's just like a gorgeous, it has a gorgeous shimmer to it. Did that all over my lid and blended it up onto my brow bone because I have those hooded eyes. And then went back in with a chisel crease brush and just packed in a little bit more color to darken up that crease. I finished off my eye look with Extra Last in black, my go-to. Used the Express Waterproof in blue on my waterline down there. I had smoked out some of that brown down here as well, and then felt like being a little extra, and I grabbed the metallic, this is the metallic eyeliner in 05, and it's called Deep Plum. And it's really like this beautiful, like reddish, bronzy color. I wouldn't really say it's got that plum or violet tone to it. It's more of like a reddish bronze, and I did a wingy dingy with that. Of course, throw on my Zen. For my lips, I used number 204 lip liner, and I used number 103, right? Yes, Wild Rose. Shh, Papa. And I just love this look. Finished off my look with the highlighter palette. I used the orange, just highlighted those areas we typically highlight, and then grabbed a little bit on my finger and dabbed it in the middle of my lip to give it just a little dimension, that's the word, and a little zhuzh. So that's my look today on this crazy backwards day. Okay, Bubba, come here. One more time. All right. So as Bubba says, you're amazing. You're wonderful. You are meant to be here. You are doing everything fine. You're doing okay. Like, even if you think you're failing, you're alive today, right? That's a win. So don't be hard on yourself. Reset if you are having a bad day. Give yourself some pep talk. You're bold, you're amazing, you're wonderful, you're beautiful, you're enough. And then try and move forward throughout the day. And if you can't, it's okay to have a bad day all around. Just reset the next day, right? So anyway, I'll stop rambling with all my affirmations, juju. But I love you all. I cherish you. Thanks for joining me in this crazy ride that I call life. You will always see the real me. So yeah, we will talk to you next time. Make sure that you are kind to yourself and you're kind to others. Bye.